Don't focus where I am watching, just focus what I am telling. Alright, so here is the thing. If you are a video editor or a freelancer, the rules of the game are changing fast. 2025 is not going to reward those who just know how to edit. It's going to reward those who just know how to build a brand, work smarter, and deliver results for the clients didn't even know they wanted. Listen, I have been there. I started off just as a freelancer, grinding out projects into late the nights, wondering where my next clients would come from. Fast forward to today, I am running a video editing agency that works within the clients in the Canada and the US, specializing in real estate and documentary types of edit. And trust me, I have learned some big lessons along the way. So let's talk about how you can not just survive but win in video editing and freelance in 2025. So let's start this part. So the first thing we need to talk about isn't tool or trends, it's mindset. A lot of freelancers think if I just get better at editing, clients will come to me. But here's the reality. Clients don't care about your fancy transition or color grading. They care about results. For example, one of my real estate clients in Canada wanted their videos to stand out. We didn't just edit a pretty property videos, we turned it into a story, something that got them some views, more engagement, and ultimately more sales. That's the mindset you need. You are not just an editor, you are a problem solver. So ask yourself, what problems do your client have? Do they need faster delivery, more creative ideas, or other type of content? If you can answer that, you are already ahead of 90% freelancer who is working in India and Pakistan. So now come to the second part. Now let's talk about personal branding, because in 2025 freelancing will be all about who you are as much as what you do. Think about it. When was the last time you hired someone of a cold pitch? Rare, right? Client want to know who are you, what you stand for, why they should trust you. This is why you need to start showcasing your work, post on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, wherever your client are. So before and after clips of your edit, talk about your process, share client success stories. I promise you, client will stalk your online presence before hiring you. And if you don't have the one, they will move to someone who does. So let's come to the third thing. Here is the harsh truth. If you are editing the same way in 2025 as you did in 2020, you are falling behind. The tool trends and the client expectation are evolving, and the editors who will adapt will be, for instance, AI is changing the game. Tools like Descript and Runway are already automatic basic edits. Does this mean you will lose your job to AI? No, but it does mean to you need to focus on the things AI can't do, like creativity, storytelling, and build relationship with clients. Another trend, short form content. Reel, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, they are not just for influencer. Real estate agents, brand, and even filmmaker are investing heavily in this format. If you can master short form content while keeping your long form storytelling choice sharp, you will be unstoppable. Now let's move to the next part. Alright, let's get real for a second. If you are just freelancing, you are trading time for money. But if you want to scale, you need to think like a business owner. That means system. That means automate repetitive tasks like invoicing, project management, or client onboarding. Tools like Trello, Notion, or Honeybook will save your life. Next thing, at same point, you will need help. Whether it's hiring an assistant, editor, or a graphic designer, don't try to do everything alone. Client retention. It is one of the most important aspects. It's easier to keep a client than find a new one. Focus on over delivering. Follow up after the project in. Ask how is you can add value. And when you make this shift, you are no longer just a freelancer. You are a business. And that is where the real money and the freedom are. So let's move to the next segment. Here is why most people fail. They give up too soon. They post a few times, pitch a couple of clients, don't see instant result and think this is not for me. But let me tell you one thing. Success in video editing and freelancing come down to consistency. One of my clients from US started posting videos weekly for the first 3 months. She barely got engagement, but month 4 her content went viral. Now she is closing 10K project regularly, all because she showed up consistently. The same applies to you. Whether it's marketing yourself, reaching out to client, or leveling up your skill, just keep going. Success compound over time. So here is the bottom line. If you want to win in video editing and freelancing in 2025, you need three things: the mindset of a problem solver, a personal brand that attract client, the discipline to show up consistently. It won't be easy, but I will promise you one thing. If you commit to this thing, you will look back a year from now and be amazed at how far you have come. Now let me ask you, what one step you are going to take today to level up your career? Drop it on comment or DM me. I want to see your win. So all right, that is for today. And just let me know in the comment just how I recorded this video. I know it's full of value, full of value driven, full of all the things that you need to start your career in 2025. But there is a one hack. I had prepared a script for this video, and this is running on the laptop where I am seeing and just directly telling you. And I had done it because I don't just want to waste my time for preparing for shooting and doing this thing, and your time for just taking this all of the extra editing to your mind and make your mind just, I just want to give you raw and real things. So just why I had prepared a script and simply read it what you can listen. So just go with it, and I am doing this type of content many more. So just stay tuned for next videos.